Hey, here we go. I'm awake. Ooh, hey. You'll say, here we go. You'll say 6. Here we go, singing the song, and I'm awake. Hey. It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup. Oh yeah, and rushes along her hair. And then she asked me, brother, do I look alright? And you say yes, baby, you look wonderful tonight.
Go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
Come on. I feel wonderful tonight because I see
love like
love in your eyes.
and I wonder what it was that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Time to go home now. Oh, baby. It's time to go home now.
Yeah.
And I got an aching head. I give him the car keys. He helps me into the bed.
And then I tell her, I said, turn out the light. I say, my darling, we were wonderful tonight.
Ooh, my darling,
Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Oh, baby, my darling.
Darling,